my name is Angelita Carrasco, and this is my Project 3 on genre change by me. So I've chosen to take Project 1 and convert it from a memoir to more of a documentary type of video. So a little bit of an introduction is that I jump rope competitively on a team called Albuquerque Air Jump Rope. I'll be interviewing 3 of my teammates who are also my friends. Their names are Charlie Rohrig, Savannah Sanchez, and Brennan. Competitive jump rope is an intense sport that is on the rise, and it is going to be in the Olympics soon, hopefully. There are several different teams in the nation and also around the world. We compete on a regional, national, and international level. Some of us on Albuquerque Air actually have regional, national, and world rankings. So the first person I interviewed is Charlie Rohrig. She's been jumping for about 9 years, and here are some of her rankings. So here's her video.
We're recording, okay. How long have you been jumping?
About 9 years. I think this is my 9th year, going on 9 years.
Nice. And what is your favorite event in jump rope, since there are like many different events? What's your favorite?
Can I just like pick any out of all the competitions we've been to?
Yeah.
Okay. My favorite is probably, I'd say it's either triple unders, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's where the rope goes under you 3 times in one jump, and you just do as many as you possibly can until you mess up. And you use wire ropes for that, in case anybody wanted to know. And then my other favorite event is 1 minute double unders. So you have a partner, and you're doing double unders, which is also self-explanatory. It's just the same as a triple under, except it only goes under you twice in one jump. And so you have a partner, and you switch every 30 seconds for a minute. So that one's pretty fun too.
So then she mentioned that triple unders and 1 minute double unders are her favorite events. When doing these, it's often common to get whips, which are super painful, and she mentioned that we use wire ropes, which can make it even more painful sometimes. But anyway, here are some leg whips here, there's some more leg whips over here, some hand ones, a nice back one over here. These are really intense. Savannah got a lot here. Here's one over the chest area, and then this is actually my face, so the rope went kind of straight across and over my eye, if you can see a bit there for those whips. But yeah. My next interview was with Savannah Sanchez, who has been jumping for about 6 or 7 years. These are some of her rankings, and here's what she had to say about it.
How long have you been jumping?
I've been jumping for about 6 or 7 years now.
Nice. What is your favorite event?
My favorite event is 3-person double dutch freestyle, which is basically where 2 people are turning a rope and then 1 person is jumping in, and then you just switch for each jumper.
Anything else, or is that just the main one?
That's just the main ones that I like.
Cool. What's your favorite memory on the team?
My favorite memory was either one of the Festival of Trees performances or making it to Grand National.
Yes. What is your favorite thing about jump rope?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
What's your favorite thing about jump rope?
One of my favorite things about jump rope is how just welcoming the community is and how supportive everyone is. Like, even when you're at competitions, there will be like people from other teams that you've never met before just like rooting for you and just like hoping that for the best, and everyone's just really supportive and there for you.
Yeah, and then so she mentioned that one of her favorite things about jump rope or being on our team was Festival of Trees. So this is one of the performances that we do, and here's us over a couple of years. Here's 1 year, another year, and yeah, it's just a really fun performance that I think a lot of us actually enjoy. So the last person I interviewed was Brennan. She's been jumping for 7 or 8 years. Here are some of her rankings, and this is what she had to say.
Okay, how long have you been jumping?
I've been jumping for 7 or 8 years.
Okay. And what is your favorite event?
My favorite event is a 3-person double Dutch speed where 2 people turn the ropes and 1 person jumps in the middle, and it's how many jumps they can get in a set amount of time.
So then she mentioned that her favorite event is 3-person double Dutch speed, so I included a video here just to show what that looks like.
Turner, slow down.
That's that. And then I know in her video she also mentioned that it's a great workout, and I definitely agree with her. We work really hard at practice. It's super intense. It can be really beneficial for your body and can hurt you a little bit, but I think that's how it is with any sport. But yeah, thank you for watching my video on jump rope.